I have one thing to say before this video starts. First of all, this is how I look on a daily basis. If you're gonna come for how I look right now, you're not normal. This is the dressing gown. These are my PJs. I'm living the best life and I haven't showered. My hair's oily because it's naturally oily. So if you come for my brand, if you just attack me for the way I look and being comfortable while filming a YouTube video, please don't even bother watching the rest of this video. Leave your nasty comments away from my channel and go watch someone else, okay? Thank you. Hello everyone, it is Chloe here and welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I am comfortable as heck. I look like shit and that's what people do. It's a natural thing, guys. You look like shit. You have off days. Anyways, I don't feel like putting on makeup today because it's a rainy day. It's like candle weather. I have a candle burning. It's just a great day to not put a face on and get dressed. You feel me? Okay, anyways, by the title you guys already know what video this is. Today's video is going to be a room tour. A lot of you guys have been updating, what? A lot of you guys have been requesting this, but one person in particular, Ebony, hello, how are you? Ebony has been my #1 person for this video. Like, she's been requesting this video non-stop since we moved in. So Ebony, this one's for you. As I said, it's a gloomy day, so lighting is really shit, so I do apologise. But today I'm going to be showing you my room. Disclaimer, I'm not, you know, trying to brag or whatever. This is just what you guys want to see, so I'm doing it, okay? Also, I do want to disclaim that we haven't really been in this house for a long time, as you guys clearly know. So I'm not 100% sure if we're allowed to put anything in the walls. So the walls are completely bare, whereas at the old house, my whole wall was photos. Here's a clip. Yeah, I miss that wall. Oh my god. So obviously I don't know if I'm allowed to hang anything up. So I might do an updated one once everything is decorated. But as of right now, it's pretty much the way I want it furniture wise. Just saying there's not really decoration on the wall. But most of my furniture covers the wall anyway. So it's like, okay. So I'll try and tell you guys where everything is from. If you want to know specific details on any like furniture things, please let me know in the comments and I'll try and get back to you guys. I think we should get started with this room tour, shouldn't we? Oh, it's still filming. Lol. Lol, lol, lol. I also just want to point out I'm going to be doing this free-handed because I don't have a small tripod to film with, so I'm sorry if I'm like not good of this, okay? I'm not Casey Neistat, okay? Okay. So this is the doorway, you know? Hi, Chloe. Hi, Corey. This is what it looks like when you walk in, you know? Boom. So on my door I have all of the Richmond scarves we get for when we're being members. Obviously we've been members for 5 years. Dedication. This is a football team, by the way, if you're not Australian. Anyways, let's close that bad boy. So this is basically just an overview of what my room looks like. It's not the biggest, okay? Can we talk about this outfit first of all? I look hella stylish. This is tiring. I'm already out of breath. Anyways, so obviously we have slippers because my footsies get cold, okay? I'm a human. So I'll do this side first. Okay, so this is my wardrobe, nothing special. But when you open it, this is what heaven looks like. This is how many clothes I have. I have more, don't worry. All of this is a mess. I'm not going to show you that because that's just... it's a mess, okay? This is obviously all my clothes. Then I've got my shoes down there and some winter jackets that are a bit too thick with 2 C's. And to put on the, what's this called? A beam coat rack? No. Wardrobe, I don't know what it's called, but you know the drill. Okay, and then moving along we have my full-length mirror where I do all my modeling. Not really. I have no idea where this is from. I got it for a birthday gift from my parents, okay? I just have my Super Showdown ticket. That's really out of focus. Wowza. So moving down, these are from Annalise's 18th birthday. I still have these, girl. Don't question. I don't know why, but they're cute, aren't they? And then going over here we have my bookshelf. This is a lot to work with. On the side I have 3 hats. I don't even really wear hats. I don't know why I bought them, but they're there for show, I guess. Up the top, we'll do this first. Over here we have some incense that Rhiannon got me for my birthday. Let's focus this. This next to it, oh my god, I can't get it. Is this in focus? Probably not. This is from my cousin Ashley. I'm going to be one of her bridesmaids at her wedding, and this was a gift. And I had to keep the bottle because it was so cute. So I leave that up there so I can still see it, but it's not like hiding or anything. And then up the top we have, I don't even know, we have 6 pop vinyls. We have Baymax, Clark and Bellamy, Finn the Demon, Helena, and then obviously my baby boy. This is the penguin from Phillip Island when we went there for the first time. This is Michael Zowski. This is actually Annalise's. This is a candle. I just thought it looked cute, so I kept it. And I have a photo of me and Corey. And then obviously we have the books because it's a bookshelf. So I have a bunch, you know. You know. Then over here is like some keepsake type of things, I guess. This is again a snow globe from Penguin Parade. This is tiring. I'm just saying it. It's tiring. This is from Phillip Island. These are some cars from our childhood. And this box here is some of the stuff Ashley gave me for a bridesmaid. Same with the bottle. So they came together. Then moving down, I have more books that didn't fit on the other shelf. We have one of those light up light box, what are they called? I don't know, but I wrote self-love isn't selfish, which is completely true. Over here is a bit personal, so I might just like run by this really quickly. These are just like little memorial cards you get at funerals. These are family members. I'm gonna block their names out because they're family. These are my DVDs. Ooh, we obviously have more, but these ones are mine. I got a couple CDs there, not much. And then okay, so a thing about me is I collect DVDs from my favourite actors, and obviously 2 of my favourite actors is Dylan O'Brien and Heath. So I have all of Dylan O'Brien's movies except I think like 1. And then all of these from here to like here is all Heath. So these are all Heath Ledger's movies. I have every single one except 1. Doing my head in, but can you tell I love him? And then there's just some more DVDs there. We have the Misfits box set. I absolutely love that TV show. We have the Gossip Girl box set and the Bones box set. If you know me, I'm actually watching Bones currently, and I love them so much. Like, it's over there. Like, you'll get to it, but I'm currently watching it and I'm so excited. Down there we have the Harry Potter book set, whatever. And then over there we have a photo of me and Annalisa. She hates that photo, but I love it. And then we have a bunch of shit there because I'm lazy and can't put it away. Okay, going down once again, we have my vinyls and record player. Cute. And then we have a DVD player for the car when we go away for a long period of time. It's cute. I got that for Christmas, if you remember. I think I vlogged it, did I? I think I did. So that is my bookshelf. Nothing fancy. It's cute or whatever though. Okay, moving along. In this little corner we have a bedside table. Cute. I put my tripod there when I'm not using it. I have a bin, aka me. So obviously I don't really use this, to be honest. But I feel like I need to use it because we bought it. We have tissues. This might seem really disgusting to people, but it's like really sentimental. These are flowers from, I think, my nan's funeral. I can't remember who, but they're, you know, like when you have flowers on the coffin. Yeah, me and Corey keep them because we're sentimental pieces of shit. So cute. It's probably really disgusting to someone, but it means a lot. So don't comment about it, okay? We have my battery charger pack, my phone. Oh, I'm popular. Not really. I have some jewelry, and this. Oh my god, this is heaven on earth, okay? This is, oh, it's from Mecca. It's like 20 something dollars. This helps my headaches so much. If you have headaches or migraines or whatever, please check this out. It is so effing good. Oh my god, like, oh please, oh, just check it out, okay? I don't think I have anything in these drawers. Oh wait, I do. Oh, these are my SD cards. And that's a cord from my camera, and then there's a pins. I don't know why they're in there. Okay, anyways. And then this one has a word search in it. Okay, cool. I'm like 80 years old. Obviously, if you watch the movie vlogs, you know this is from Kmart. Okay, you can see me in the reflection, hey. This is my little TV area. Fun fact, I've never had a TV in my room since the time I got this TV. So I got a candle burning. This one's from Mecca as well. Obviously I've got my Xbox. There's Bones right there. I think in there I just have Xbox games. There's a lot more in the, what you call it, lounge room, but these ones are mine. Anyways, this is the old microwave stand. If you remember, in the old house, this was the microwave stand. I stole it. You've seen this many times before. This is my Vanity. I've done a whole collection on this. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. But I just took the mirror off because it was blocking the beautiful window. And this gives off so much light. I'll just do a quick overview, even though I've already done a video on this. We have some photos, all of this stuff, my pride and joy, me and Nan, a necklace, a little dream thing Beck got me for my birthday, cotton rounds, the Shawn Mendes perfume. I need the new one. This smells so effing good. And me, hey. Obviously, if you want to see what's in here, nothing's really changed, to be honest, since filming it. But yeah, I might do an updated one. I'm not sure. Let me know if you want me to do an updated one or not. Then moving along, we have this little fella. I need a name for him, guys. Please give him a name because he needs a name. He's nameless. I have my bed. So my bed is from Fantastic Furniture, including the mattress. This bedding is from Kmart. And then obviously all these pillows. I have no idea where they're from. So yeah. This also has storage on the sides. Nothing's really in them. But I do have a picture of Jeffrey there. Over here we have my sunglasses, or just glasses that look pretty. These are from AliExpress, these two. And those two are from High Point somewhere. Don't know where the rest are from. My current book I'm reading, I always leave it there just in case I want to read something. Then over this side we have kind of like some figurines. We have the Rapunzel and Pascal pop vinyls, as well as Bing Bong. And then we have the really small ones of Supernatural and Jon Snow. And some Monsters Inc. ones. I don't know why Randall's there. No! In the arms of the angel. Ta-da! Over here we have some more storage. Oh, my handbag, cute. I have another picture of Jeffrey. And then over here I've just got some perfumes. I rarely use these. I always use my Shawn Mendes ones. But this bed also comes with storage. So you open this up and I have more clothes. Wow. Wow. Cute. Love that. In that one is like bras and stuff, and the other two have some random ass clothing in it too. That's it. That's honestly my room. I'll give you another overview. It's not much, but it feels like home, which is very good. So yeah. Okay everybody, so this was my room tour of 2018. I'm not going to name it that because 2018 is almost over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of you guys have requested it. I have no idea why, but here it is for you guys, so hope you're happy. It's not much, obviously, but it's my room and it feels very, very cozy to me. If you don't like it, don't leave nasty comments about it because it's a freaking bedroom, guys. A bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. If you're new here, please subscribe because I make a video every single week or twice a week. I might get into it. I don't know. Let me know if you're down for that. I don't know if I want to upload twice or not. To be notified when I post a new video every single week, click that little notification bell thingy so you get a message every time I post. But yeah, if you have any video suggestions, please leave them down below as well. All my social media links are in the description box and below like always. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Peace.